guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina, founder of Czjouer Cosmetics, and I am a packing genius. No, seriously, I have it down. And if you struggle with bringing the right amount of clothes, looking amazing, packing it all in a carry-on, including your toiletries, your hair, your makeup, the rest, I've got the solution. This is literally my secret weapon for looking great while I travel and doing it all with a carry-on, because nothing makes me more annoyed than waiting for luggage at the baggage claim. I don't do that. I just don't do that. So let's get started packing. I'm gonna give you my top secret tip on packing light, as well as my 3 travel essentials. I'm gonna walk you through an entire week's worth of clothes for one trip in one carry-on, and these clothes only fill the carry-on up about maybe 3/4. You have plenty of room for the rest of your stuff. So the tip is that you're always going to write out your itinerary. So what are your needs? Are you going to a fancy dinner? Are you going sightseeing? What are the exact activities that you're going to be doing for every single day? Is we're going to have a day bottom that is going to be the same as the night bottom. So your day bottom and your night bottom are the same. All we're changing are the tops and the shoes, okay? So we're going to bring 3 pairs of shoes on a trip. I will allow myself 4 if it's like a beach vacation and I need an extra pair of flip-flops, or if there's some extraneous, extra, whatever that is, circumstance, I will allow myself a 4th pair of shoes. Otherwise, we're a 3 pair of shoe traveler. We are going to wear one of them on the plane. So we're really only packing 2 pairs of shoes. I always pack a dress. I always pack a shorter dress. I always pack leather pants, black jeans, and blue jeans. Let's get started. The first outfit I'm gonna show you are these black jeans. I always travel with black jeans because here's the trick. If you dress monochromatically, if you bring a lot of blacks and whites, for example, you're less likely to get things dirty. Black jeans you can wear over and over and over. This could literally go for 2 weeks. The way that I'm packing today could actually get you 2 weeks of wear. So the black jeans I'm gonna pair with sandals for the day, and I'm gonna throw on a white t-shirt. This is a really casual, easy way to go sightseeing, running around town. This is like a casual, I would say, spring into fall outfit. I did bring a sweater. That way I can throw a sweater on and layer it and be a little bit warmer. So the way I'm going to take these black jeans into the evening is I'm going to throw on my black heels. Always got my black heels. And what I've done is I put on a lacy tank top. I always travel with a lacy tank top. You guys, this is the way to dress up an outfit. It weighs absolutely nothing. It is so lightweight, so it doesn't take up any room in your bag. Throw on a little blazer, your heels, a little envelope clutch, and you are good to go. That is the perfect single day's outfit. You've gone from day into night and you look chic and it's beautiful. Now we're gonna move on to a short dress. The short dress is if it's a little bit sunny, you can throw it on with your pair of sandals. You're sightseeing, bring your tote bag. If you wanna bring your sweater in your tote bag or a hat in your tote bag, you can. It's really casual, it's really easy. And then the way that we're gonna dress it up is we are going to once again put on the heels, throw the blazer over our shoulder, and voila, we are chic and we are ready for a fabulous dinner out on the town. And this is an outfit that you have worn all day long. Nobody's the wiser. You look great and you're not taking up extra space in your suitcase with another outfit for night. Next day, we are going to throw on a pair of leather pants. Honestly, you guys, I love leather pants from the minute it hits September all the way through, I would say, March. Anywhere you go, even if you're going to a snowy place, you want your leather pants. They're from Zara, so they're not actually leather. They're like faux leather. They're so awesome because even if you spill a cup of coffee on yourself, you just wipe it down. These will stay clean. They travel really well. They hold their shape. So I'm putting this on with a cute shoulder pad t-shirt. This is the t-shirt of the season right now. This is a little white shoulder pad t-shirt, my crossbody, and a pair of sneakers. Nothing's cuter to me than a pair of leather pants with a sneaker for running around the city. You can throw your sweater in the bag, you can throw your blazer in the bag, but off you are ready to go. And then the way we are going to dress up the leather is the same way. We're throwing on our heels. Yes, we love these heels. And then we are putting on a black blouse. This one is really beautiful. It's got chiffon sleeves and a really open neckline. I think it's gorgeous. It's very elevated. It is from Zara. I think last year. I'll try to find something similar and link it down below. But it's just really a beautiful, easy way. Any kind of black blouse with your black leather pants and a heel is city chic. Like, what more do you need? You are set, you are ready to go. It looks fantastic. Throw on the blazer and the little crossbody bag and you look fabulous. And these leather pants, trust me, you can wear them during the day, you can wear them during the night, you can wear them over and over and over again. So even if you mess up the rest of your clothes somehow, honestly, you can wear these leather pants every day. They are fantastic. They don't get dirty. You can wipe them down if they do. Love it. The next outfit that we're gonna do is a black floral dress. I do love a floral dress. I'm just into it right now. I am. This one is by Reformation. It's very much a summer dress, but you can make this into a fall dress by adding a sweater, throwing a blazer on it. It's very easy. So I'm throwing this on with my black sandals, my crossbody, and I've also got the sweater in case it gets a little bit chilly. It is the perfect little daytime run around outfit. I love it. You can also wear the sneakers, no problem. And to dress it up, I'm putting on my heels and I'm putting on my blazer, and this is just a great elevated going out to dinner outfit. You can wear this to a restaurant. You can wear this like strolling the city. Either way, I never choose a heel that is too high. This is a kitten heel. I love a kitten heel for when you're traveling. You never know what kind of streets you're gonna get, and you don't wanna be wearing 5-inch heels. You don't wanna get blisters on your travels. No, no, no. Okay, the next outfit we are going to do is a satin skirt. I've made a video about satin skirts. I will definitely link that one if you want to see, because satin skirts are so versatile. There's so many ways to wear them. This satin skirt is from Zara. I love it. I love it's creamy and beautiful and elevated, but it also looks amazing with sneakers and a t-shirt. So I put on sneakers and a t-shirt, and I'm running around during the day and I'm super casual, but to dress it up for a night, I've put on a little square-necked black t-shirt. This is an Amazon t-shirt. I will definitely link it if I can still find it, and a pair of heels. So the black heels, the black t-shirt, my blazer over the shoulders, and we are good to go. It's super elevated, really beautiful, and does not take up a lot of space. None of this does. Now I'm bringing a pair of jeans into the equation. Blue jeans always, always work. Jeans just you can wear over and over and over again. I love them. They're so durable, and they can be elevated, they can be casual, they're perfect. So these are a little straight-legged cropped jean. I've paired them with a white little puff-shouldered top. This is from Amazon. I love it so much. And my sneakers. This is a really casual, easy outfit. I love it. It's still a little bit feminine, but looks great. And I am going to switch it up for night on a little lace blouse that I have. This one is adorable. I put a little black bra underneath it, and I'm putting my black heels on. So I really like the juxtaposition of the lace and the blue jean and the heel. Super chic, really beautiful. Put the blazer on over it, good to go. But here I'm gonna show you how this same pair of jeans works with the same elevated top that I paired with the leather pants. That is the gauzy sleeved black top, as well as the tank top and the blazer. So you can really see how all three of those bottoms can be interchanged with the tops. There are so many outfit opportunities with this combo. So look down below. If you press more, I'm gonna list out all of the items. This is great to use as a packing list if you are going on a week's trip. Use this. We're gonna get to the 3 essentials that I always travel with, and especially now, I'm gonna talk about the first one. The first one is something you may not really think about. Well, we're traveling in a pandemic and we need to be safe and we need to wear our masks, but what I've found is you don't wanna keep wearing the same mask over and over, and disposable masks are just, they're not as cute and not as comfortable, even though it's really good to have them. So here's what I do. I pack my little Ziploc with, this is my little pandemic kit. What year are we in? It's 2020. Inside here, I like to carry 2 fabric masks. So I've got 2 Czjouer fabric masks. So I've got a light one and a dark one. And then I've got a couple of these are the Czjouer kind of paper ones. They're not disposable, they are washable, but I also have some KN95 masks. So the reason why I'm traveling with a bunch, I'm gonna alternate them day by day, and I'm going to wash them in the sink. So I'm gonna use the soap or shampoo or whatever and some hot water in the sink, and I'm really gonna wash all of the makeup comes off, anything on the inside of the mask, and then I'm gonna hang it up to dry. When I wake up in the morning, it's pretty much gonna be dry, but I'm gonna use the second mask that next day, and I'm gonna alternate. I always like to keep one as an emergency in like a side pocket of my purse, just in case I run out without a mask, which I've done because I keep forgetting that we need to wear masks. It's like a crazy thing. But yeah, so if you ever leave the house without a mask, really good to have one just like folded really small and tucked away inside a little pocket of your bag. That is really important. Inside this bag, I also have Lysol wipes, and I've got Lysol spray. That's how I do it. I also have my Czjouer hand sanitizer. You guys, this is the FDA emergency formula approved, so it can be used. Healthcare workers can use this, really important, and I love it because you can also use this spray on surfaces. I throw it into my bag, so if I'm going out for the day and I've got a smaller purse, I'm gonna throw this in the purse, not necessarily the whole bag, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, the next essentials bag is this Leopard bag. This is the Czjouer Leopard bag. I love this bag so much because it holds so much. I basically carry all of my makeup in here. Yes, I said it. I've got all my makeup in here for the trip, but I also have a few other things. I have a little pouch for my jewelry. Okay, so I'm carrying this with me on the plane. I never put my jewelry in my bag. I've also got face lotion. This is a really heavy duty moisturizer. This is actually something Czjouer is developing because airplanes are so ridiculously drying, and traveling in general is really drying. So I'm always carrying a really heavy duty moisturizer. Especially one that's not going to break you out. That is super important. And I've also got hand lotion because flying is just brutal on my hands. Like, it's so dry, I don't know what it is. So yeah, this is my essentials bag. So I plop all of this in here. I want this all in one place. I also have, you guys don't laugh at me, but this is like, if you catch me ever without a nail file, I'll scream. It's like a pet peeve. I hate being without a nail file. If I have a snag in my nail, I need to fix it. So I've always got it. This is like a little chopped down nail file. I always have a nail file, and I always have the Czjouer lip mask. This is the most hydrating, long wearing lip mask you will ever experience. It's got everything amazing. Hyaluronic acid, shea butter. It is jojoba seed oil. It's so nourishing, and I cannot live without it. Honestly, when I'm traveling, it's the way to go. I also throw in there some melatonin and these are actually morning sickness ginger, like little ginger chews, and they're not actually, it's a lozenge. I'm not pregnant, and they're not only for morning sickness. These are the ones I found, but I love them because they relieve nausea. So sometimes when I'm sitting on the airplane, I'm just like, ugh, I don't feel good. So that is for that. And then melatonin, because sometimes I need to do a chew or two. Just help me go to sleep. That is that. So the final thing I'm gonna tell you about is my Riki mirror. I always travel with this. I would say 99% of the time, because it is so lightweight, and when you get to where you're going, you never know what your lighting is going to be like. It comes with this stand, so you can set it up anywhere, and it really is bright. It comes with a plug and a cord, but what's also cool is the plug also has another USB little spot in there, so you can charge your phone at the same time. It works also wirelessly, so if you need to move it about, I don't know if you guys can see, it is, ooh, it's really bright. So sometimes hotel rooms, like you're out of luck if you don't have a great window, if you don't have great lighting. So I never rely on that because I love this mirror so much, and it folds flat and it goes right into my suitcase. So easy to pack. It just folds right in. I slip the mirror in, and then I put the stand, and then it comes with a little magnifying mirror that just magnetically attaches, and then the cords I stick in my suitcase. I'm gonna show you how I pack all my handbags as well. So this is a tote bag that I travel with. I'm going to take my crossbody bag and I'm going to put it inside the tote. And also, I always bring a little envelope clutch for dressy evenings. Right now I've got my passport in here that slips right into this bag. So all of my bags are traveling in my tote. I've got my makeup and essentials bag. I've got my mask bag and my hand sanitizer. And because this is such a large tote, I have extra room. So I'm gonna bring on the airplane a sweater, and I'm also going to bring the blazer that I'm wearing in all the outfits, because if it gets cold, I'm gonna throw the blazer on, and I'm probably gonna wrap the sweater around my neck so I can stay warm, right? So that is how it all fits in. and I've got plenty of room. I can add my laptop, my iPad, whatever I want, and there you go. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much. Put a thumbs up. That means so much to me. Subscribe. I'd love to see you back here. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, and I'll be answering comments right now. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.